Imagine controlling a clunky robot with your brain. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, Neuralink says it's almost here, and Elon Musk's Optimus might be along for the ride. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Neuralink's head of surgery, Danish Hassan, said on X that their tech is literally just out here helping the homies eat pretzels, referencing a video of a man seemingly operating a robotic arm via telepathy. Fans quickly jumped in asking why Optimus V2 isn't training with it, and Hassan said, "We're starting simple, but this will happen very soon." That's where the excitement peaked with reality. Tesla's Optimus robots are famously awkward as they shuffle, struggle to talk in full sentences, and are far from ready to take orders from a human brain. However, Neuralink itself isn't perfect either. Out of 12 human test subjects, early results have been mixed. The first patient reported that his device didn't work so well anymore after just a few months. Despite the hype, Musk has a history of overhyping things. He recently claimed Optimus would make 80% of Tesla's value, which was an eyebrow-raising prediction if we look at the robot's ongoing performance struggles. The idea of merging Neuralink's brain interface tech with a humanoid robot may be thrilling, but the reality is likely years away. For now, Neuralink fans can dream of a future where mind and machine sync perfectly. Elon Musk may be selling the fantasy, but anyone expecting flawless telepathic robot control anytime soon is probably being delulu. What are you gonna do if you could control a robot with your mind? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.